Taurus, let's see what we have for you. What do we have for Taurus? Keeping to yourself or keeping secrets? Interesting. I feel like there's so much going on inside of you, but you don't want to trouble anyone with it. So you keep it to yourself. So much worry. It feels like scattered energy. Maybe you don't know how to direct your energy because it seems to be chaotic or uncontrollable. Taurus, you need time alone. I'm already jumping to the advice because that's what I'm getting. You need time alone. Time away. It's like you need time to purge. And you don't have to trouble anyone with the feelings that you're getting. But you need a break, is what I'm getting. A break. You need a break from all the noise. If you are living in a city, you need time away from the city. If you live with others, you need time away from these people that you live with. You need to have space. Space alone. Space away from work. Space away from family, friends, lovers, whatever. You need time alone. You need to be in hermit mode. Because you need to purge that energy out. And it doesn't feel... It feels like frustration, rage. And the people around you don't deserve to receive it. Don't deserve to receive that end of you. But you deserve to be away from them so that you can truly kind of eject these feelings without having to worry about who you might hurt in the process. I mean, even if talking to a therapist helps, do it. But if you're not the therapist type of person, you can go away, have a vacation, your phone switched off, no connection whatsoever with others, so that you can block away the noise. The noise is irritating this negative energy that's brewing inside of you. And guess what? If it keeps brewing, you will have a breakdown. And that breakdown won't be pretty. It won't be pretty. I feel like talking about it might help. So like I suggested, if you don't mind talking to a therapist about how you feel, because maybe you don't trust the people around you, so you don't want to tell them how you feel, it's fine. But you need to talk to somebody. I mean, I personally don't like to talk about anybody about my problems, but I do need time alone to recharge, to isolate, to be in solitude. It helps me to hear my own voice. If this is your thing, you need time alone. If you need someone to actually talk to, a therapist would be a good idea. Or someone that you trust, a person that will not judge you for whatever comes out of your mouth. Even journaling, putting your frustration and the feelings that you're feeling on paper is a way of taking that energy out of you and onto the paper. That might help too. There is someone here that has feelings for you, but they don't know what to do with it. Typical. This person feels like you are unreachable. They have feelings and desire. So this person desires you. It's like on an emotional level, but also on a physical level. So what's up with this person? Why are they in Taurus's energy? Yeah, the universe is telling you to invest in this person because they will be in your future. Love is why they are in your energy. Love. Is this a soul connection? I mean, we have the Two of Cups here as well. Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Two of Wands. Is this a soulmate for Taurus? Yes, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Cups, and Two of Cups. This is a soulmate, Taurus. We will take this energy and this reading to the extended. The link will be in the description box. I will see you there.